Sana AI Review. Let's get started. So Sana AI is a B2B knowledge assistant developed by Sana Labs. It's designed for external use and internal use by companies to search, summarize, and execute workflows across documents, meetings, and apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Salesforce. And it's also built for enterprise use. And take note, it's not a random gig job recorder or typing service. Those Sana brand messages concerning high-paid typing gigs on TikTok are the scams. So this website offers its key strengths. It has an enterprise-focused knowledge retrieval. It also has a robust security and compliance. It also has a custom automation integration with flexible usage tiers, and they have a high usability score. The only downside is it has some restriction to internal team use. It also has a free tier limits, and they have a limited modal transparency. But is it legit? Well, yes, Sana AI is legit and real, and it's secure and enterprise-grade internal knowledge assistant, trusted by over 100,000 teams, and it's backed by the strong tech compliance and clear integration capabilities.